Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix the lagging issue when you're having boss fight in God of War Ragnarok. I'm playing in this Franklin JLS. So left and right I'm getting lagging issue in the resolutions. So in order to fix that, what you need to do is first go to settings. So first I will come out of this game, or directly you can go home, and here first you need to check this, select the game and go to power saver for games. So it should be turned off. Okay, it should be turned off. So if it is turned on, right, you need to turn it off first. Next thing, go to settings, come to save data and game app, and come to game presets. So here, right, this is the game default or easiest mode, and come down performance mode or resolution mode. You need to change it to performance mode. Okay, basically, right, I have 4K monitor, but still I'm getting lagging issues. So what I did is I just went to screen and video, and here, right, on this video output I changed it to from 4K to 1080 pixel. Okay, for time being, to finish that boss fight I changed this. Okay, so I changed it to 1080 pixel. So once it's changed, right, then I went to the game, and there is no lagging issue here. That's it, friends. This is the way you can fix the issue for God of War Ragnarok. Definitely this video will be very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care, friends.